One of Russia's supposed super weapons was the BMPT Terminator. While this weapon system is an infantry fighting vehicle built on a tank chassis, it holds all the same vulnerability as Russia's other tanks, being able to be taken out by MLRS rockets, artillery, mines, anti-tank weapon system, other tanks, or in this case Ukrainian FPV drones. As the system is firing at Ukrainian position, a FPV drone attacks it at the rear, causing some ammunition to blow out in the back. As the operator realizes they are in danger, they try to retreat but get hit a second time, causing the vehicle's operator to abandon the vehicle, leaving it immobilized and burning on top. But as Russia in a more rare case trying to retrieve the system, as losing another Terminator would be embarrassing after bragging of its capability, a T-80BV tank with a coat cage drags it. But this leaves the Ukrainian drone army the ability to target the T-80 tank and hit a well placed over the engine, leaving the tank to get immobilized. Causing more drones to target the systems with less effective hits, ending it with a blast fragmentation strike to take out any surrounding personnel, leaving 2 less vehicles being able to be used in the conflict, leaving 2 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.